Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom is the word negative. Negative in Hebrew is taram. This is the masculine form, and this is the feminine form because negative is adjective. So, shlili, 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 shlili. Shlilit, 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 shlilit. So if I want to say that this man is negative, האיש הזה שלילי. האיש הזה שלילי. And if I want to say about an answer that it is a negative answer, answer in Hebrew is tshuva, feminine. So, tshuva shlilit. Tshuva shlilit. And if someone is asking you if you want to eat broccoli, I'm thinking about George Bush Jr., the president, and he didn't like broccoli, right? If I remember correctly. So, do you want to eat broccoli? And you would say instead of no, you can say shlili, shlili, no, shlili, shlili. But I like broccoli. I eat broccoli. אני אוכלת broccoli. It's good for your health. You will find the links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב, להתראות בסרטון הבא.